Rhino species and distribution. There are 5 extant species of rhinoceros: the black rhino, white rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino. Each species has distinct physical features, habitats, and geographical distribution. We'll take a closer look at each species, highlighting their differences and where they can be found in the wild. Physical attributes. Rhinos are renowned for their massive size and distinctive horns. We'll explore the anatomy of a rhino, discussing their body structure, skin texture, and unique adaptations that make them well suited for their environments. Additionally, we'll examine the intriguing purpose and uses of their iconic horns. Rhino behavior and social structure. Rhinos exhibit intriguing social behaviors, both solitary and communal, depending on the species. We'll delve into their communication methods, territorial behaviors, and how they form social bonds within their herds. By understanding their behavior, we can gain insights into their complex social dynamics. Conservation efforts and threats. Sadly, rhinos face numerous threats, primarily driven by human activities. Poaching for their horns, habitat loss, and illegal wildlife trade are pushing these majestic creatures to the brink of extinction. In this section, we'll shed light on the various conservation efforts being undertaken worldwide to protect rhinos and ensure their survival for future generations. Success stories and promising initiatives. Despite the challenges, there have been success stories in rhino conservation. We'll showcase remarkable initiatives, such as anti-poaching measures, habitat restoration projects, and translocation efforts, that have shown positive results in safeguarding rhino populations. These inspiring stories serve as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of these magnificent creatures. Ecotourism and rhino conservation. Ecotourism plays a vital role in rhino conservation, as it provides economic incentives for local communities to protect rhino habitats and discourage poaching. We'll explore how responsible tourism can contribute to the preservation of rhinos while offering visitors the opportunity to witness these incredible creatures in their natural habitats. Rhino skin is composed of several layers, each with distinct characteristics that contribute to its remarkable durability. We'll explore the composition of the skin, including the outermost layer called the epidermis, the dermis beneath it, and the underlying subcutaneous layer. By understanding the structure of rhino skin, we can better appreciate its protective qualities. Rhino skin is renowned for its thickness and ruggedness. We'll discuss how the skin's thickness varies across different rhino species and regions, providing enhanced protection against potential threats such as predators and environmental hazards. We'll also delve into the role of collagen, elastin, and other proteins in making rhino skin highly resistant to tearing and abrasions. Rhino skin serves as a shield against harmful UV radiation from the sun. We'll examine how the skin's thickness and pigmentation help protect rhinos from sunburn and other sun-related damages. Additionally, we'll explore how the unique texture of rhino skin acts as a deterrent against insects, minimizing the risk of bites and infestations. Rhinos have evolved specific adaptations in their skin to thrive in their respective habitats. We'll explore how the skin of different rhino species, such as the black rhino and white rhino, has adapted to suit their environments, be it dense vegetation or arid grasslands. In the event of injuries or wounds, rhino skin exhibits impressive healing capabilities. We'll delve into the regenerative properties of rhino skin, exploring how it repairs itself through cell regeneration, scar tissue formation, and other biological processes. Understanding these mechanisms can provide insights into potential medical applications for human wound healing. The black rhino is one of the most critically endangered rhino species. We'll delve into its physical attributes, including its prehensile upper lip, which enables it to grasp and browse on vegetation. We'll explore its habitats, behavior, and the ongoing conservation efforts to protect this magnificent but endangered species. Contrary to its name, the white rhino isn't actually white but rather has a grayish color. We'll unravel the story behind its name and examine its physical features, including its square-shaped lip, which makes it a grazer rather than a browser. We'll also discuss its population recovery efforts and the successes achieved in bringing the species back from the brink of extinction. The Indian rhino, also known as the greater one-horned rhino, is native to the Indian subcontinent. We'll discover its distinctive feature, the single horn on its snout, and explore its unique behavior, such as wallowing in mud for thermoregulation and communication. We'll highlight the conservation initiatives that have led to an increase in Indian rhino populations. Juvenile rhinos, due to their smaller size and vulnerability, are more susceptible to predation. We'll explore the predators that pose a threat to young rhinos, such as lions, hyenas, and crocodiles. We'll discuss their hunting techniques and how rhino mothers fiercely protect their calves from these formidable predators. Adult rhinos may appear invincible, but they still face potential threats from a select few predators. We'll shed light on the rare instances when adult rhinos are targeted by large carnivores like lions and tigers. We'll delve into the circumstances that lead to such encounters and examine the factors that determine the outcome of these encounters. While predation poses a risk to rhinos, they also engage in unique interspecies interactions. We'll explore intriguing relationships between rhinos and other animals, such as birds that engage in mutualistic symbiosis, where they feast on ticks and parasites that inhabit the rhino's skin. These fascinating interactions demonstrate the complexity and interconnectedness of ecosystems. Despite the existence of natural predators, the most significant threat to rhinos comes from humans. We'll discuss the devastating impact of poaching for rhino horns, driven by illegal wildlife trade. We'll emphasize the importance of addressing this man-made predator and the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect rhinos from extinction. Rhinos have evolved various defense mechanisms to fend off potential predators. We'll explore their powerful charges, swift running capabilities, and the robust armor of their thick skin. We'll also discuss their keen sense of hearing and smell, enabling them to detect danger and react swiftly. Understanding these defense mechanisms deepens our appreciation for the survival strategies of these magnificent creatures.